All right, here with Coach Patrick, coach of today's winning team, Cathrine. First of all, Coach, congrats. How are you feeling after today's game?
Well, I'm very elated. The job done today. We want to qualify primarily after the first two games. That was important.
You guys came out, Calabar, a formidable team. What was your approach going into today's game?
That we want to push them back as early as possible. It's a early goal and push them back in their hometown. And that is very, very important. The school, the support going from the day inside the backyard. So we want to get this team on the level.
You started off with a relatively high tempo. Do you think your team accomplished the game plan today?
Yeah, that's what we are doing from the season. We are starting that I want to push back the team as early as possible. But unfortunately, last game against Charles, we took too long to sharp game by the first half. We got a one goal in the first 12 minutes. We create about 10
your guys is number 10, Young. Or man of the match there. Speak to us about how you would evaluate his performance today.
He's a very good player. He just have to listen some more and play with the team a little bit more. But he's very, very creative. He plays the big team. Coach Matrese. He plays anything. Just waiting and manufacturing the team. But I'm definitely want to focus on this and get this done.
All right, so you guys basically through from this round. Knockout football upcoming. Obviously, you still have one more match to finish out in this one. But what is Cathrine's mentality now going forward?
Well, what we want to do, we want to keep the momentum, keep a good momentum going to the next round. I don't know who and who got in the one, but very, very close. Keep a good momentum going.
All right, coach. Congrats again and good game.